He like how you fit that ass in them pants. You wanna see me, but you better have them bands. I'm with my bitches, so you gotta bring
Oh, people are walking, bro. So we're off to get Jack his suit. You know, we're suiting up for prom tonight. And not just prom. My announcing of entering the election. I'm running for Washington County Water Secretary. And we're gonna win it, baby. I got posters made. We're gonna go put them up on the main drags of Fayetteville. We're gonna get it running. We're gonna get it going. Then me and Jack are gonna go have fun at prom tonight.
If I don't find a blonde baddie tonight, you'll never see me again.
Jack, how many miles is a 5K?
5,000?
You're fucking stupid. Oh my god.
Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my god.
Dude, I mean, 5K, it's 5,000.
No, it's no. Look up how much a 5K is. It's not 5,000 miles.
How much is a 5K? Running. How long is a 5K marathon?
5K is 3.1 miles long.
Yeah, you're a good fucking 4,700 miles off, buddy.
Yeah, right.
You want to run a 5K right now, Jay?
Fuck no.
I'll let you out right here.
Fuck no.
You are 3.4 miles away from the destination.
It's 3.1.
Large shoe.
Medium, large.
Bro, look at my feet. Do you think I wear a size 11? Hell no.
How you big stepping in a size 7?
Hey, bro. You know how? No. Yeah, you want to see that?
What the fuck? No!
Hey! I wanna see
Big
that.
dick.
Have you seen the Drake video?
Bro, lucky we strolling rough my
You remember like when you was like a kid and that like foot long gummy worm was really popular?
No, I never had a foot long.
No, I know, but like you seen
I
like
just played with myself.
Socks on my feet.
I'm trying to see.
Little is my meat.
A few moments later.
we got lost for like 40 minutes. It's now 1:18. My mom is pissed. We're both tired as fuck. And we're getting ice cream.
And I did not get any play tonight.
He got negative play. He had a chance to though. He just didn't do it.
Whoa.
You had a damn chance.
When?
Bro, I'm looking funny.
If I don't find a blonde baddie tonight, you'll never see me again. You'll never see me again.
Cover your ears. Cover your ears. Cover your ears. Cover your ears. Honk away.
Oh my god! Oh my
No, whoa, car.
Oh my god!
No, the fuck it's not.
Oh my god. On fire.
Yeah.
Stop breaking all of it. Bro, why did they not? They not squirting. I'm not here. Almost slipped. Hey, yeah, that's why it's cheap as shit. Do it for the vine.
Go for the vine.
Give me another one. Yeah. Do that shit. Shower me in that bitch.
Oh my god.
Try that.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh my fuck. Get the phone out of my pocket. Where's my phone at? It's in your pocket. Oh my ear. It's in my eye. Oh, people are walking, bro. Oh shit.
Oh shit, we gotta get this shit.
Dude, your eyes look red as
Bro, they
shit.
got my
Gotta get this.
Hell yeah, baby, hell yeah. It's in my underwear, I swear. It's stained the inside of my clothes. It's very up. Oh my shit, well, my car keys don't work.
Alright, was this a good idea, guys?
He's walking home, he ain't driving home.
It's so brown.
Oh my god, there's so many fucking cars. It's the one time a day that's fucking
You're like you shit yourself. Like, actually do it on yourself. You look like you actually do it on yourself.
Bro, look how gay you look. Bro, there's some hope in my ear. Well, you got some hairy ass legs,
Bro,
motherfucker.
I literally put it on your butt on purpose, so like, you can go in your butt crack.
Yeah, I know you did. I told you to go down my pants. I'm like, well.
Wait, you're gonna take a long ass shower, right?
Yeah, I'll take a fucking shower.
Bro, imagine you don't take a shower. Bro, your clothes are like gonna stick on you.
Bro, your dick's probably sticky right now.
Exactly.
What?
Alright, we're at Walmart. Trying to find these AirPods.
Dude, what do you think was gonna happen? You're
Give me the other basketball.
no.
Oh, I gotta knock it out.
He's gonna knock it out.
But what if it hits on the other side?